Hi students, intermediate, second year, English medium. We are discussing the industrial sector. So in the industrial sector, already few concepts were discussed by the previous videos. In this video, I am going to analyze the problems faced by the small scale industries in India. Small scale industries and large scale industries. So there is a need to establishment of small scale industries in India, and already you know, so these are the large scale industries and these are all small scale industries, and the small scale industries are playing a crucial role for the economic development. If you want to provide more and more employment opportunities, if we improve the growth rate of the economy, if the economy will be increases, it needs to establishment of a number of industries. So number of industries means not only the large scale and the medium scale industries, and the small scale industries are also needs to establishment of provide more and more employment opportunities and to improve the growth rate of the economy and improve the per capita income of the total population of the country. So the small scales are playing a crucial role or vital role for the economic development. But even though the small scale industries are facing so many problems while the product producing the goods and services, so that's why what are the problems, which are the problems are faced by the small scale industries in India particularly, are the discussing topic in this video. So few points are there. Problems faced by the small scale industries in India. Here one is finance. What is the finance? Finance means the most of the small scale industries are established with low capital, low investment. Even though the small scale industries to require the investment is not getting from various sources of small scale industries. Banks are not providing the loan facilities and money lenders are not providing the loan facilities. But the small scale industries are, it is a fail to get the loan facilities or financial facilities. Financial means loans, assistance facilities. Who can provide the loan facilities to industrial sector? Means the industrial banks are there, which is ICICI is there, IFCI is there, IDBI is there, commercial banks are there. So many institutional sources is there. But the small scale industries are failed to get the financial facilities to improve the productivity or to improve the industrialization. Due to the small scale industries are going to industrial sickness. Why? Because due to the lack of the financial facilities. Why? Because the banks are failed to provision of loan facilities. The indigenous bankers are provision of loan facilities, and the money lenders are failed to get the loan facilities. But who survived to get loan facilities, to provide loan facilities to small scale industries? So in India nowadays, the most of the small scale industries are facing the finance facilities. This is the first one which is faced by the small scale industries in India. So this is the first defects. Second one, raw material. You know, the raw material cost of raw material is very high due to the small scale industries are not purchasing of raw materials with a high cost. So when they purchase the high cost of raw material, and automatically the price of the commodity will be also increases. If the price increases, the consumers are not interested to purchase the goods and services due to the raw materials are very high cost, due to they are not able to purchase of the raw material, due to most of the small scale industries are going to the industrial sickness and going to be closed, isn't it? So here raw material problem. So and the agro-based industries are there, and the small scale industries are there, and the cottage industries are there, and small scale industries are there, handloom industries are there, handicraft industries are there. These are all the small scale industries. So these are all industries are depends upon the raw material for the agricultural sector and the other sectors. But the other sectors are not providing the raw material in low cost due to the industries are paying a high rate of their interests due to their failure to the industrial sickness and going to be closed. So this is also one of the cause, which means raw material problem. Second one. Third one is idle capacity. Yes, exactly. What is the small scale industries? Small scale industries, it is a little bit of the machineries. If you take the large industries, the large industries are totally organized by the machineries. But the small scale industries are only little bit industries. So the little bit industries, how can they produce more and more? Means it is the idle capacity. What is the idle capacity? Due to the lack of electricity facilities, due to the lack of water facilities, due to the lack of what is the transport facilities, due to the lack of capital facilities, and there is no capacity to produce, a heavy capacity to produce. They have no heavy capacity. ఎక్కువ ప్రొడక్షన్ తీసే కెపాసిటీ వారి దగ్గర లేవు. ఐడిల్ కెపాసిటీ, లో మినిమం ప్రొడక్షన్ దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ప్రొడ్యూస్డ్. ఓకేనా? సో దట్స్ వై ఇట్ ఈస్ ఐడిల్ కెపాసిటీ. ఐడిల్ మీన్స్ లో కెపాసిటీ టు ప్రొడ్యూస్ ఆఫ్ గూడ్స్ అండ్ సర్వీసెస్. ఓకేనా? సో ఇండస్ట్రియల్ సెక్టార్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద మేజర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్, obstacle problem faced by the idle capacity of the industries. Next one, technology. Most of the small scale industries are adapting the old technology. With the old technology, how can they get the more productivity? Suppose if they want to introduce the technology in the process of the production, they have no investment and they have no creative facilities from various sources. But how can they improve? How can the adoption of technology in the process of the production? It is too difficult. Okay, so most of the industries are running with traditional methods and traditional equipments, older machineries. So there should be need to the technology, but the due to the high technology, the cost of purchasing is very high. Due to they suffer with the low technology. So this is also one of the obstacle. Okay, then marketing facilities. Yes, this is a major problem which is faced by the small scale industries in India. Suppose the small scale industries are produced in some goods, where they sales, where they marketing. For example, the global system is there. In the global system, so many multinational companies are dumping their goods in India. For example, their goods dumping means the lot of goods are the dumping in our India. But how the small scale industries are competing with the large scale industries? The large scale industries very cheap of cost, and it is a designable, and different varieties are there. But small scale industries good is very, cost of production is very high. There is a traditional methods. Due to they are not competitive with the large scale industries. Small scale industries are not competitive with the small scale industries. Due to they not able to marketing their production. Where they produce, where they marketing, wherever you go, there is a competitive with the large scale industrial goods. Due to they are not producing proper, and they going to industrial sickness after closing the industry. So they are going to industrial sickness and go to the poverty. So marketing facilities, due to the marketing facilities, most of the small scale industries are under the industrial sickness, and they are going to closed. Due to there is no survive of small scale industries in India. Then infrastructure facilities. Yes, most of the industries are suffer with the infrastructure facilities. Already we discussed, no marketing facilities. It is too difficult to marketing facilities in various sources of small scale industries. It is a electricity facilities. There is no proper 24 hours of electricity facilities. There is no creative facilities. There is no transport facilities. There is no raw material facilities, and there is no infrastructure facilities what they require. How can they survive? Who can provide more and more facilities to small scale industries? Who can support to the small scale industries? Okay, and the small scale industries are also playing a crucial role. This is also needs to establishment of number of industries. This is also key to what is the survive. Large scale industries are only the not the economic growth. The small scale industries are also supporting the industrial development. So that's why it is also one of the cause of infrastructure facilities. So due to the lack of infrastructure facilities, the most of the industries are industrial sickness and going to be closed, and it is a suffer with the losses. So this is also one of the cause faced by the problem faced by the small scale industries in India. Then project planning. So they have no idea how to get, how to what we say, the new machineries, new technology, new invention, new discoveries. For example, large scale industries are there. They have a planning project is there. How to produce, whom to produce, where to produce, and when to produce. They have a perfect knowledge. They have perfect project is there. But the small scale industries are, they have no knowledge how to maintain their project planning. So project planning, lack of project planning, they have no, and what is it? The new innovations. They have no innovations to do. They are fail to marketing their goods. They fail to marketing their goods. Why? Because they have no project plan. So this is also one of the problem which is faced by the small scale industries in India. Then skill manpower. Yes, when we take the large scale industries, skills manpower is there, and technology is there, and machineries are there. So due to they are getting the high productivity with low cost. But the small scale industries, they have no skilled manpower. Why? Because they talented persons are, they are ready to establish only, but they have no skill, they have no training, they have no knowledge, they have no project planning, how to produce the goods, whom to produce the goods, where to produce the goods, when to produce the goods. They have no knowledge, they have no idea how to produce the quality goods of the customers. So skill manpower, they have no skill manpower due to they are getting the losses in their production. Due to this is also one of the cause faced by the small scale industries in India. Then managerial competence. Yes, they have no managerial competence. For example, small scale industries are there. So the small scale industries are not competitive with the small scale industries, and the large scale industries, the small scale industries are not competitive with the large scale industries. They have no managerial competence. So this is also one of the problem which is faced by the small scale industries in India. So overall, most of the small scale industries are already, they have closed, and few industries are going to be closed, and some are the under industrial sickness. So if not sufficient what do you say, survive of the small scale industries, so and near future the industries are going to be closed. So due to we have to survive, we have to protect the small scale industries, so to promoting the economic development. So students, this is the way of the presentation of problems which are faced by the small scale industries in India. Thank you very much.